2026 Dodge Demon pickup truck is imagined as the ultimate fusion of raw muscle car power and rugged pickup capability. Designed to push the boundaries of performance and aggression, this concept envisions Dodge bringing its famous Demon nameplate into the truck world. With its imposing stance, supercharged engine, and track-inspired design, the 2026 Demon pickup would be unlike anything else on the road, capturing attention through both its strength and style. Built on a reinforced chassis and enhanced suspension system, it promises extreme stability and control, whether tearing down drag strips or hauling loads. The wide body design, flared fenders, and deep hood scoops emphasize pure power, while its LED lighting, massive grille, and aerodynamic contours give it a fierce modern presence. The muscular frame sits on oversized performance wheels, blending off-road durability with street-ready aggression. Under the hood, the heart of this beast is rumored to be a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, an evolution of Dodge's legendary powertrain found in its performance cars. Delivering over 1,000 horsepower and upwards of 700 lb-ft of torque, the Demon pickup would redefine what's possible in the world of trucks. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive capability, it's built to dominate both asphalt and dirt. Acceleration is expected to be mind-blowing, rivaling high-end sports cars while maintaining heavy-duty strength. Launch control, adaptive drive modes, and electronic stability management systems ensure that the immense power remains under control during both everyday driving and high-speed runs. Inside, the cabin offers a luxurious yet purposeful environment. Premium leather or Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and a massive digital display highlight Dodge's attention to modern comfort and technology. The infotainment system supports wireless connectivity, voice control, and performance telemetry. Bucket-style sports seats provide both comfort and support during aggressive driving, while customizable ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication. Despite its performance orientation, the Demon pickup still retains practicality, offering exceptional cargo space, high towing capacity, and a payload rating that would impress even in the heavy-duty segment. Safety and technology would likely play a key role as well. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, and multiple airbags, are expected to complement its power and performance. With its cutting-edge suspension setup, the ride remains composed even during spirited driving, offering drivers both excitement and security. If it reaches production, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup could start around $120,000, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts seeking the ultimate high-performance truck. It represents a bold vision of American muscle meeting modern engineering, blending brute strength, luxury, and technology in a way that few vehicles ever have. Though still speculative, the idea of a Demon pickup embodies Dodge's fearless spirit, a machine built not just to perform, but to dominate.